Hello, I'm Dennis Michaud, Managing Director of Offsite Solutions at CertainTeed. So one of the products I wanted to talk about is One Precision Assemblies. That's a solution that we have for builders and developers looking to build homes faster with less risk from a labor perspective and a warranty perspective. So what we're allowing them to do is get to a fully watertight, insulated building envelope within a week on site, removing a lot of the challenges and complexities that are involved in managing multiple trades, while also eliminating the warranty risk and the sort of fingers pointing in all directions when something goes wrong. As one example success story, we're working with a luxury home developer, community developer, who really had the challenge of wanting to get to market very quickly with new homes, but they needed to have a semi-custom approach where home buyers come, look at model homes, select a site, select the configuration that they want, and they want to get that home buyer into the home as quickly as possible. By working with us, we had all the engineering completed in advance. When that sales transaction happens, they essentially press print for us. We deliver the panels to the job site, install them in a little over a week, and they're able to deliver that home to that family much quicker than they otherwise could, satisfying the homeowner and also ensuring that their working capital is as optimized as possible. So for us, this is really about addressing the enormous housing need that we have in this country. So if we can help builders grow and build more productively, build faster, we can have a real impact on that challenge that we're all facing as an industry. What we see coming next is greater growth to other parts of the country. Right now we're in the eastern half of the US. We expect to expand to the entire US and potentially North America within the next couple years. And we do see this as having a major impact on how builders do business. So you can learn more about CertainTeed and One Precision Assemblies at certainteed.com/OPA. So again, I'm Dennis Michaud, having a great time at Builder Innovator. Hope everyone else is having a great day.